Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenFit 2 Plus earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone I'm using here is a little bit older phone. It's a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So the first thing is we want to put these earbuds into pairing mode. Okay, so the buds are in a case. Now when I open this up, I'll know if it's in pairing mode if it's blinking here, green, red, green, red, green, red. But I get a solid green light on there, then it goes off. The reason is because I'm connected to one of my phones next to me. So let me manually put this in the pairing mode. Okay, so both the buds are in the case. You have a button right here. I'm going to press and hold until the light starts blinking green, red, green, red, green, red. Okay, so the button here, ready, press and hold, keep holding. Still holding. Okay, there you go. Green, red, green, red, green, red. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our phone here. We're going to go to settings, and then we're going to go to connections, and then we're going to make sure Bluetooth is toggled on here, and then we're going to tap on Bluetooth. And now under here, available devices, it's searching for, you can see a little spinny thing, it's searching for devices in pairing mode near me, and it'll show up under here under available devices, which is like 30 feet Bluetooth range. It's still in the pairing mode, it's blinking the red, green, red, green, and it did find the OpenFit 2 Plus there, so I'll tap on that. With these Android phones, you should get a pairing request. We're going to tap on pair. And voila. We are connected, ready to go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always do a factory reset. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.